Okay, activity 1.3.6, I section that for Introduction to Engineering Design. In this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to make a section view in OnShape, or how you can actually, I know in Fusion 360 it says to use the inspect command, but this is how we're going to do it using OnShape. It's a little bit different on how to make this work. So let's say you've got a shape and you want to see what it looks like on the inside. There are two cubes on the right hand side over here. What you want to do is you want to click on the one down at the bottom that doesn't really move or interact with you. That's called camera and render operations. You're going to click on that and it gives you a whole crap ton of options. These crap ton of options can be useful later on, but the one that we're really interested in is the one at the very bottom that says section view. And whenever you click section view, it's going to say select a plane, planar face, cylinder, or mate connector. And what we're going to do with that mate connector, or no, that mate connector, we're going to make a plane. We're going to click on the right plane in this case, and watch what it does. It's going to take your plane and it's going to literally make a cross-sectional view of the object at that location. There's an arrow to the right that you can use, or to the left, depending on which object you're using, that you can drag out, and what it will do is it will create a different spot on the section view. You can also hand type in how far you want it to move out if you know the distance that you need for your sectional view to actually occur. And whenever you get to that section view, you can also rotate around your sectional view if you need to, although I would probably save that for if you're only really specifically asked to do that. It's really cool to look at, but whenever it comes to actually dimensioning and designing, that's like super big brain mode, and I wouldn't get into it. Okay, so once you get it to a specific section that you want, you can just finalize it by, I believe, hitting enter. There we go. I'm going to try to get rid of it. There it goes. And you should have a cross-sectional view that you can look and go back to. And you can see what the cross-sectional view of your object looks like, although it looks like I just made it twice. Ah, there we go. Ooh, now it's completely gone. All right, I guess if you want it to make sure that you don't accidentally do the section view twice, but I think you guys get the general idea on how that section view would work. You click on this, you click on section view. Let's say I wanted to go for the front this time. I could go this way, and you can click backwards and it will make a section view of your object. Say you wanted to know how far you had to go to the halfway points on this. This is a really good way to see what your object would look like if it's been sliced or cut. If you've got things that have holes in it, or open cavities or stuff like that, it's really important to use a section view. Okay, and I believe that's really all there is for that video. It's actually pretty easy to do in OnShape. Have a nice day, and we'll talk later.